I'm going to read this to you. It's from Joanne, okay?
Brian, be quiet.
It says, Dear Dad, this card reminded me of how we first met. You told me that you were at the adoptions agency when you felt a tiny hand grab yours, and when you looked down, you saw a dirty face, little girl with carrot top hair and big freckles. And I asked you, are you going to be my daddy? You could have walked away, but you said you smiled and told Mom, I gotta have her. And from that day, you became my dad. It wasn't always easy raising me, but you never walked away, and you always held my hand throughout everything. No matter what I did, I knew I could always turn to you and depend on you. You taught me that love is never ending, and it can meet the hardest of hearts. You taught me to laugh even at myself. You taught me pride and integrity, but not become too prideful that I lose my sense of being. You taught me patience when you had to try and teach me my homework, especially math. And let's not forget how patient you were when you taught me to drive, especially when I ran red lights and stop signs, and through every time the police called you because I was speeding through town. There are so many memories and lessons you gave to me that I can't even begin to list the rest of them. I will take each one of these with me throughout life, keep them close to my heart as I keep you close to my thoughts and heart. I love you, Dad, so very much. I am so proud you're my dad, that you choose me to be your daughter when you didn't have to but wanted to. You're an amazing person, Dad, and I'm so blessed that God brought you into my life. Happy 80th birthday. I love you. Your daughter, Joanne. That just came in the mail for you for your birthday. You want to look at the camera? Say, I love you. Say, I love you, Joanne.
Love you, Joanne.